Minister N. Biren today attended Manipur Startup Conclave held at City Convention Centre in Imphal. The conclave focuses on making Manipur the topmost startup destination in the northeast region by providing support to nurture startups in the state. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights along with the Social Youth Progressive Organization in collaboration with Youth Action Committee for Protection of Indigenous People, Young People for Social Reform and Khangabok Development and Students Union observed the Global Week for Future 2019 starting from today. In this regard, a mass rally will be kicked off from Thau Ground, Imphal, and public meeting will also be held at the lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound. In connection to Makhan arson attack that took place on the wee hours of 17 September, the state government had assured the locals in nabbing the culprits within 72 hours. As per reports, a public meeting attended by MLA Khaisi was held at Makhan village. It is learned that the residents are all set to start a series of agitation if there is no positive outcome within 12 am today. A moderate intensity earthquake measuring 3.2 on the Richter scale hit Meghalaya today at around 3:10 am. According to Indian Meteorological Department, the epicenter of the earthquake was at East Garo Hills district of Meghalaya, located in a depth of 5 km. No damage of property or casualty was reported so far. NGO Coordination Committee, a conglomerate of major civil societies and student bodies of Mizoram, appealed genuine Bru families who are lodged in 6 relief camps in North Tripura district to return to Mizoram. A statement issued by the committee urged upon the state government to take measures to ensure that only Bru families who were identified as genuine residents of Mizoram are deported back to the state according to the roadmap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address over 50,000 Indian Americans at the mega Howdy Modi event, but the torrential rains triggered by a tropical storm have wreaked havoc in Houston, prompting the governor to declare a state of emergency in several parts of the state of Texas. Tropical Depression Imelda slammed Texas, causing devastating flooding, power outrages and prompting urgent rescues and warnings across southeastern Texas for people to stay indoors.